So the Maverick been thinking about this new norm of playing sport without spectators and the timeline of things getting back to normal. Best case scenario, the search for a coronavirus vaccine estimated to run for at least another year. And by the time it's tested and distributed worldwide, we're looking at another 6 months to a year. So to be safe, let us say in another 2 years, a vaccine created, tested, and distributed, assuming that no new viruses arrive. So in another 2 years, sporting stadia will be filled to capacity again, and everybody will be feeling safe and comfortable. But that is still 2 years away, and my question is, what do we do between now and then? Especially in small sports markets like Jamaica, where we don't sign multi-billion-dollar television deals, and local sports depend on gate receipts for survival. The Red Stripe Premier League, Manning on the Costa Cup, and even champs. In the short to medium term, in order to remain relevant, we have to move these products from being spectator events to television or online events, cut to fit and packaged for the expanding stay-at-home market. This thinking we had initially, that we would sit and wait till the coronavirus disappear, it's not going nowhere, not right now. We have to work around it. If we try to sit in our houses and wait out the COVID-19, and this is how I'm doing.